Good morning, everyone. Welcome back in your online EVS classes. So, here again, I, Priyanka Agrawal, will teach you something more about plants. Yesterday, we have learned what are trees, herbs, and shrubs, and climbers and creepers. So first we will take a quick revision of yesterday's topic, then we will start our today topic. So just look at here, trees. What are trees? Trees, very big plants are called trees. And what are shrubs? A small plant with thin stem and thin branches. A small plant with thin stems and thin branches is called a shrub. Okay, and herbs, small plants with very soft stems are called herbs. In shrubs, you can take a tulsi plant, you can take a rose plant because they have a small plant and their stems is very thin and branches. And in herbs, small plants with very soft stems are called herbs, like mint, coriander, grass. Okay, these are very soft stems. आपको पता है ना, इनकी बहुत सॉफ्ट स्टेम्स होती हैं, ग्रीन कलर की होती हैं, लाइक मिंट, कोरिएंडर, ग्रास एंड स्पिनच आर हर्ब्स. And what is this money plant? Money plant is a climber. Why? Because it cannot grow on their own. They need support to grow. ये जो climbers होते हैं, ये जो plant होते हैं जो खुद से they cannot grow on their own, वो खुद से grow नहीं करते हैं. क्यों नहीं करते हैं? Because their stem are very weak. उनकी स्टेम बहुत वीक होती है, इसलिए ये विदाउट आवर सपोर्ट ग्रो नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल से सम प्लांट्स कैन नॉट ग्रो ऑन देयर ओन एज दे हैव वीक स्टेम. क्यों? क्योंकि इनकी स्टेम्स वेरी वीक होती हैं, लाइक पी प्लांट, मनी प्लांट एंड द pumpkin grow on the ground. Why? Because its fruits are very heavy, or its fruits are very heavy and they can't grow straight. वो सीधे ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, वो बेल नहीं बन सकते उनकी. सो इट creeps on the ground. So they are called creepers. Creepers are plant, they cannot go straight. They grow on the ground like watermelon, pumpkin. So what is the today topic? Today topic is where do plants grow? Most plants grow on the ground, but plants such as water lily grow on water. They have big leaves that floats on water. Plants with thorns such as cactus grow in the desert. They can live without water for a long time. Yes, we all knows very well the plants grow on the ground, but some plants grow in water. कुछ plants like this is water lily. It grows in the water. So those plants are grow in the water. They are called water plant. Okay. So and this is cactus, and cactus has leafy plant. It is a leafy plant, and leafy plant with thorns. इसके कांटे भी बहुत होते हैं. जस्ट प्लांट्स विथ थॉर्न्स सच एज कैक्टस ग्रो इन द डेजर्ट. ये कहाँ पर ग्रो होता है? डेजर्ट में. दे कैन लिव विदाउट वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. और इसमें अगर हम काफ़ी टाइम तक वाटरिंग नहीं करेंगे तो इट कैन बी लाइव. यस, दे कैन लिव विदाउट वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम.